Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Savrumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. AITC leaders support public protest against MOU with Assam. Dr. Mukul demands inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in 8th schedule. Combined agitations against MEECL William Nagar office to continue to July 29th. And 2 drug peddlers caught in the police dragnet. And now the news in detail. Leaders of All India Trinamool Congress AITC on July 26th attended the protest meeting at Maikuli village organized by people of the areas in Ribhoi district, where in one voice they demanded from the government of Meghalaya to scrap the Memorandum of Understanding MOU with the government of Assam. The AITC reached on the site to support the demand of the people living in the border of the two states that have faced and experienced numerous problems, harassments and difficulties in the past, which continue till date. AITC leaders who visited the protest site included James Lingdor, Dr. Sarlindor Phang Mauhati, Kamal Marbanyang, State Joint Secretary Gilbert Nongrum, District Convener Ellingstar Nongrum, Jirang Block and Sun Moon Marak.
I can see me mo bangidi bendon ruka wake Italy lang pranung Meghalaya ki khasi ki janti abat garo ngindon ka juga jingmur bing yang teli lang namanta kanika jaka kaputa jungi ka balasha pengan mo aspo Assam ti tang katahi dan kamen ban kashan ki bad ban ai jing kashan bad men ki bangini leh du bukut khnang ban ki bur ka jing kapat mo nakaliang kasukar bahkan le kabala ban yarap ya ki briu jungi sa ini than boda kum ka mau hatir ngidan ki jaka ki bahap poka boda issue te sang kata ni le se ka government kan nang ya score mo ini kan saban ban ai ru ya ka jing dawa jong kini ki briu jungi ki badan sa ini ki than.
While talking to the media persons, Dr. Mukul Sangma, MLA and leader of the All India Trinamool Congress AITC, expressed his wonder for the delay in the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. He said that India is an inclusive country that nurtures the development of various cultures and traditions. Therefore, the inclusion of these languages in the Constitution will provide fair playing fields to the youths of the state. He also said that the demands of the people, together with the leaders of the state for such inclusion, is consistent with the aspiration of the public, particularly the youth.
This is inconsistent with the aspirations of our people, particularly the youth. You understand, the era of, this globalization where people are looking at spaces of jobs all across the country, and also when you have the youth who are aspiring to offer themselves to serve the state, to serve the nation. Inclusion of these languages in the 8th schedule provides a space, or rather a platform for level playing ground for the youth.
The combined NGOs of William Nagar is continuing its agitation and picketing in the MEECL office for another 4 days till July 29th if the authorities do not fulfill the demands placed earlier in the presentation. Saldrang Tengrik Marak, leader of the combined NGOs, said that at the end of the 4-day deadlines, if no positive response is received, another phase of agitations will start till the demands are fulfilled. He requested the general public to continue supporting the public demands as they are meant for the good of the people, particularly of Garo Hills. Meghalaya Power Department on July 26th organized a public program on Ujwal Bharat, Ujwal Bhavishya at Dadingri Civil Subdivision Centre, West Garo Hills, to mark the occasion that electricity has reached to every household and expects that upcoming projects in Garo Hills will strengthen the power supply in the state to meet the requirement of the people. Shri Vibhor Agarwal IAS SDO Civil was the chief guest. Dignitaries present at the function include Executive Engineer, Assistant Executive Engineer and other officers of Meghalaya Energy Department. Local singers Mukul Sangma and Pangsrang Marak spread joy to the audience with their melodious songs. Two drug peddlers, Shri Rex John K. Sangma from Ringre and Bishal C.H. Marak of Lower Balsarang localities, fell into the dragnet of West Garo Hills police while transporting drugs from Mankachar, Assam to Tura district town. The Superintendent of Police West Garo Hills, Sri Vivekanand Shri Rathore, in a press statement said that the police, on receiving specific information that drug peddlers from across the state border with Assam are transporting drugs and narcotic substances from Mankachar to Tura. Based on this information, the police placed dragnets in all vulnerable entry points to Tura town. The duo are travelling on a motorcycle and reaching at Police Information Centre at Garo Badha were nabbed and searched by the waiting policemen. From their persons, the following narcotic substances were found: 2,856 numbers of SP capsules, 142.8 gram tramadol hydrochloride, and 18 number of Nidcor 10 tablets, 18 gram of Nitrazepam IB, the SP said. A case is registered under the NDPS Act and their links are being investigated, he added. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.